Hey, I don't know who needs to hear this right now, but I'm tired. Tired of being stuck in the same cycle. Tired of this addiction that's been running my life for years. Maybe you feel the same. Maybe you know exactly what I mean. When I was younger, people expected a lot from me. I was the smart kid, the one who had a bright future, the one who was supposed to make it. And for a while, I believed it too. But somewhere along the way, this addiction took control. Porn became my escape. It became the thing I turned to when I was stressed, when I was lonely, when I just didn't want to face life. And at first, I thought it wasn't a big deal, just something small. But years went by, and suddenly I looked back and I realized I've been addicted for 15 years, or maybe 10 years, or 5 years. And no matter how long it's been, it's stolen so much from me. It's crazy when you think about it. How many hours, how many days, how many years we've lost. Things we could have built, skills we could have learned, dreams we could have chased. Instead, we were trapped in a cycle of shame. You finish watching and you feel guilty. You tell yourself never again. But then, the next day, it happens again, over and over. And you start to wonder, is this just who I am now? If you've ever felt that, you're not alone. I've been there. And the truth is, so many men have been there too, but nobody talks about it. We all carry this silent battle while the world keeps expecting us to be strong, focused, successful. But how can you build a future when your mind is chained to a screen? How can you give your best when you're constantly drained by this addiction? Here's the thing, we're not stuck forever. I don't care if you've been addicted for 15 years, 10 years, or just a few months. This doesn't have to be the rest of your life. And that's why I started this channel, Master Patient. Because we've been the patient for so long, suffering, waiting, hoping, but now it's time to become the master. Master of our minds, our habits, our future. So if you're tired like me, tired of wasting time, tired of missing out on life, tired of being stuck, then you're in the right place. This channel is going to be our space, a place where we talk about men's mental health, porn addiction, and how to break free. I'll share stories, science, strategies, but more importantly, I'll share the truth that we all need to hear. You're not broken and you're not alone. So if you want to start this journey with me, hit that subscribe button. Let's figure this out together because life is too short to keep living like this.